People ask me, how do how does climate change influence our harvest? And you'll see here that this young tree has several apricots on it, but they're not very thick. They're kind of sparse. So how many apricots set really depends on the weather during the winter because that's when it flowers. I kind of think of it like around the time of Valentine's Day. And if you recall last winter, we had a lot of storms and we had cold weather, and that's not good for the flowering and the fruit to set because basically all the flowers get washed off with the storms. But then in the summer, there's also a question of the drought. So with climate change comes more severe storms and more severe droughts. And so if it's too dry during the spring, then these apricots will be very stunted. They'll be very small. So we need to have the water during the spring. And then as far as ripening, let's see, over here, the fruit to ripen in during the picking season now in June depends on how hot it is. So we've had some, pretty cool mornings, but tomorrow is going to be like 90 degrees, and we are going to see these apricots ripen up in the next couple of days. So that's why it's really hard to predict exactly the availability of the crop, when we're going to have some and when we're not.